My video guide is about getting rid of fake human verification alerts that are related to the site notifpushback.com. So this site notifpushback.com is absolutely faulty and truly deceptive. It basically tries to mislead you and to make you click on a special allow button supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. The truth is that it's a mistake to click on allow. If this allow button was mistakenly clicked, your browser will be hijacked and contaminated with multiple advertisements that will be popping up in the right part of your screen. To remove them, access the menu of the browser, go to Settings. Then you need to choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites that are allowed to display notifications. So remove any malicious sites if you find them here on the list. Get rid of all them carefully. Finally, I recommend that you investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may obtain on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then begin researching your computer. So Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.